Hey guys, this is a really great time of year to get some good deals. Let me show you what I just picked up for $25. So I just went to some people's house. This was on Facebook Marketplace. This is a grow tent with all the parts for $25. $25. So the last grow tent I purchased was larger than this one, and it was about $115. This one is a foot shorter, but it's a foot taller, and I actually couldn't find the measurements of it on Amazon to compare what it would cost new, but I'm guessing it would be in the $75 to $125 range. Regardless, I got it for a really good deal. That's not all I've gotten recently. I'm heading home. I'm going to show you what I got at Home Depot and Walmart. They had their organic fertilizers and amendments. Some of them, not all of them, reduced greatly. I go in there from September through the end of December. I go in and I check periodically to see how much they've been discounted. Some things never discount, but other things you can get really, really cheap. So I picked up these 4-pound bags of vegetable and tomato fertilizer. I've got 7 of them. They're like 4 deep. I don't know if you can see back there. They're 4 deep. This one only goes back 3 deep. I'm just storing them in my closet for now. But so I grabbed all of them that they had because these are listed at $6.98. So to get them for $2.38 was a great deal. So they also had these 4-pound bags of Dr. Earth's organic bone meal, which are normally listed at $11.99. I got the bone meal for $2.28, and then the blood meal, which is only 30 pounds, and they only had 1 container of it. I got that for $2.38. And then at Walmart, I picked up, let me see, I picked up 4 of these bags of, this is a little dirty, 4 of these bags of some more of the tomato fertilizer, and these are 8-pound bags. The regular price on these was $9.98, and I was able to get them for $3.67. So that's a huge difference. Then I brought this to work because I'm going to use it here, but this is deer netting. It was like 50 cents, and I'm going to use it for some projects here in the garden at work. I didn't have a tripod for my camera, so I got this for $1. And I'm going to use it at work because I do videotape things for the kids for lessons and stuff too. But I could also use it for my YouTube channel. So keep your eyes peeled. The cost of everything right now is going sky high. So if you can get a great deal on some amendments for your garden, get a great deal. I've noticed that at Christmas time and during spring cleaning time, like around Easter, that's a good time to look for used things like on Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace. So keep that in mind if you like a good bargain. And that's all I've got for today. So until next time, see ya.